Destination Tripura Business Conclave 2026, which was organized at Agartala on 9th and 10th of July. About 45 departments of state government, central government, PSUs, they participated. 2,000 plus delegates from private sector belonging to about 1,200 organizations, they participated. About 700 government officials also participated in this event. Union Minister for Donor, Union Minister for Commerce Industry, Chief Economic Advisor to Government of India, Special Secretary, Cabinet Secretariat, Chief Secretary, Honorable Chief Minister, all the ministers in the state government, all secretaries participated here, and total number of MOUs which were signed during this event are 342, and total value of these MOUs is 1,21,303 crore. So this figure we will tally, we will remove the duplicates. If there are any unaccounted for, we will also account for, and after 2 days, that is on 12th, we will release the final figure. Thank you very much.
স্বাদে ভরা ঘিয়ের সুবাস লংতরায়,
কি ভালো খেতে।
শুদ্ধ ঘিয়ের আবেশ ভরা লংতরায়,
অপূর্ব সুগন্ধ, পুষ্টি ভরা ঘিয়ের খাবার, গাওয়া ঘি প্রিয় সবার লংতরায়।
একেই বলে বিশুদ্ধ ঘি। বিশুদ্ধ ঘি নাম মনে রেখো লংতরায়।
লংতরাই ঘি রোজ খাবারে তোমাকে চাই।
লংতরায়, লংতরায়, লংতরায়।